Catherine. Thanks for your email, and I really appreciate you communicating with us. I think the most powerful thing you said was that we removed the overwhelming out of getting in business and communicating effectively. And so that's a powerful statement. I'm actually going to talk about that hopefully next week on the show, and we'll use your example because that's what we're trying to do. This is really all very easy. So I'm going to respond back to you with the video that I'm going to make to show you how easy it is. Okay, Catherine, so here you go. This is my all-time favorite. There's no comparison to the iPhone. It takes great photographs and does great video. So this is my first preference if I'm just going to have a tool that is incredibly versatile and effective. And there is a video, and I'm trimming it by dragging that screen over. That's exactly what I was talking about this morning. I hold it down, and then I can play it and review it. And see how there's that little bobble in the beginning? Well, I don't want that, so I'm going to drag that over just a little bit more and get rid of it a little more. And there it is. The bobble's gone, and I have a nice pan. And look at the bobble at the end there. So then I'm just going to take that again and drag that one over, then play it back and look at it. Just like that, a clean pan. Very nice. Everything's good. Oh, there's a bobble. We don't want that bobble, so we're going to take that bobble out just like that. We're going to play it one more time. And then I say trim right there, that button. Trim the original or save as a new clip. If I save it as a new clip, I have the old clip with the bobble. I don't want that, so I'm going to go trim original. And there you go, it processed it, and there's my clip, perfect, bobble free, and it's the only one I have in my library, so I'm not sorting. So, having said that, this is the ultimate tool. Then, a tool that I use forever and ever, and I really like it, is the Akers camera. It takes very good pictures, probably better pictures than the iPhone, and it takes good video as well. Every small digital camera has a video mode, and this one, the button's right there for the video. I recommend this camera a lot because it's incredibly thin, high quality, high megapixels. I believe it's 14 megapixels, the latest version that's available on Amazon for like 125 bucks. It's just ridiculous, and it's just, I love this camera because it's small and compact. But now I'm tending away from that and just using the iPhone. I made a mistake. I actually went to Amazon, and it's only 77 bucks, and it's 12 megapixels instead of 14. It's a phenomenal camera. Again, my friend just bought this camera, and he loves it. It's inexpensive, thin. It's got great lenses, great video capacity. It's got it all. Instantly, this camera, the G12, takes the absolute best pictures and the best quality. John has one, I have one, and our graphics design department has one. I cannot recommend a better camera for consistent, high quality photography. So there's the wrap up of the way I would approach your process. This camera is, I think, about $400 or $500. This one's 125. And Catherine, this is the Canon that we use. It's so expensive. It's beautiful and it works great, but the reality of it is, this camera takes more consistent and better pictures than the big one, easier. Okay, Catherine, the last thing I need to do is show you how to work iMovie a little bit. So there's the icon, and I'm working on my iPad and filming on my iPhone. I click on the iMovie icon, and it loads the project that I just custom made for you. And there's the closing scene, and I inserted it right there. But let's say I didn't want it there. All I do is hold my finger on it, hold my finger on it, drop it out, and poof, it's gone. But I want to put it back in, so I drag the cursor to where I want it in, the red line, touch it up here in my film library, boom, it drops in, drag it over, and do a quick little review, and there you go. It's that simple. It does the transition right between it. There's the closing scene. It's that easy, Catherine. It's an awesome program. So I've got the entire movie done. All the transitions are in, all the clips, all the scenes, everything's done. You can see how long it is. It was very fast and easy to make. The last thing I want to do is I want to put music in. So I hit the music icon right there, choose theme music. I want a bright and cheery one for this, and boom, it dropped in the entire theme music across the whole thing. And if the music's a little loud, like let's play it and see what it sounds like. So the music might be a little overpowering, no problem, just stop it, hit the green, double click on it, turn down the volume just a little bit, click off of it, and I just turned down the volume right there. It's that simple. There's the wrap up from the American Innovator. I shot this entire video on my iPad or iPhone. It's the same difference. Edited on iMovie and then customized the movie just for you and uploaded it to YouTube. Thanks a lot and have a great day. Catherine, Yoshi, our dog, says hi.